In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add an audio player to Framer seamlessly. To start off, locate the Insert button in the toolbar as we will be using it in our first step. Once you've found it, take a moment and familiarize yourself with its location because we are going to come back to it in a bit. Now, click this Insert button and a number of sections will open up for you. Your job is to look for the video section amongst these. After locating the video section, your next task is to drag the video component onto your canvas. If you don't know what a canvas is, don't worry. It's the main area where all the magic happens, where your designs and components become a reality. So, carefully, as if you're laying a brick to build a house, place your video component onto this canvas. Once you've successfully placed the video component onto your canvas, you're going to need to focus on the audio part. And how are you going to do that? By selecting the component that you've placed onto the canvas. So, go ahead. Select that video component, then wait for the Properties panel to appear on the screen. It might take a second, but once it does, you'll notice that there's an option for you to upload files to this component. This is your cue to upload the audio file that you want to add to the Framer. Assuming that you have your audio file ready and it's in the required format, such as an MP3, you are all set to upload it. Browse and select your file through the Properties panel and upload it onto the video component. Can you believe it? You've already done the main part of this tutorial. But wait, we've got one more thing to finish before your audio player is ready to stun your users. We are going to make sure that your audio plays automatically in the background whenever someone interacts with your website or app. For this, the autoplay property needs to be set to On. This will ensure that as soon as your page loads, your audio begins to play, making an immediate connection with your audience. However, to comply with most browser requirements and offer a user-friendly experience, it's vital to set the Mute property to On. I know this sounds counterintuitive. Why would we want our newly added audio to be muted, right? But often, automatically playing audio can be perceived as intrusive or unwanted by users. By leaving the audio on mute, you give the control to your user, letting them decide when they're ready to engage with your audio. And there you have it. You've just added an audio player to your Framer project. Now your designs can personally speak to your audience, making their experience on your site more engaging and immersive. Make sure to save your work and preview the final result. As you've seen, adding an audio player is an easy process and is worth the extra effort to bring your visuals to life.